Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic in the subject of economics O levels, and that is the elasticity of demand. This is one of the technical topic and tough topic in economics to understand. And this is the first lecture in the elasticity of demand. This is price elasticity of demand. So concentrate yourself. In economics, elasticity means responsiveness. Price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of a change in quantity demanded to a change in price. So this is actually this shows the quantity demanded, the change in the quantity demanded to a change in the price. So this is actually price elasticity of demand. The formula for the calculating price elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. And the formula for the percentage change in quantity demanded is QD2 minus QD1 over QD1. This is the new demand, this is the original demand, and this is the original demand. So 1 stands for original and 2 stands for new, multiplied by 100. Likewise, the percentage change in price, the formula is P2 minus P1 over P1. So 1 stands for the original, 2 stands for the new. So the new price is P2, the original price was P1 multiplied by 100%. So this is the formula that will be used in calculating price elasticity of demand. Consider figure below. The graph illustrates the calculation below. And here is an example that will make your concepts more clear, that how we calculate the price elasticity of demand. For example is here. A price rise from 5 pence to 6 pence. So it means original price was 5 pence and the new price is 6 pence, causes demand to drop from 300 kg to 280 kg. It means original quantity was 300 kg and new quantity is now 280 kg. So 1 stands for the original and 2 stands for the new one. So now we are going to apply the values into the formula. And other important thing to remember is do not apply the negative sign. For example, we will find the change. Actually QD2 minus QD1 is actually the change. So we will calculate the change. 300 to 280, actually change is 20. So we will put 20 in the numerator over QD1. D1 stands for original. So this was the original. So 300 will be put in denominator. Likewise, in this factor, P2 minus P1 is actually the change. Change is actually 1. And in denominator, we will put the original. 5 is the original. So we will put 5 into the denominator. So look now, actually 20 over 300 will be put here and 1 over 5 will be put here because this 100 will be cancelled. So 20 over 300 will be put here and 1 over 5 will be put here. So look this, 20 over 300 in the numerator and 1 over 5 in the denominator. Now you will solve this mathematically. So 20 over 300 whole divided by 1 by 5, when you will solve it, answer will be 1 by 3. So this is the answer. This is the way how we will calculate the price elasticity of demand. Important point in this topic is price elasticity of demand has no unit of the measurement. Like whenever you solve the question, you normally see we put a unit. For example, 5 kilogram, 2 kilometers, 5 liters. So these kind are the units, but price elasticity of demand does not has any unit of the measurement, whether kilograms, pounds, etc. It does not have any unit and percentage sign. So we will never put a percentage sign or any unit with the price elasticity of demand. It is a negative number, but we ignore this sign. So whenever negative sign comes, we will ignore this sign. We will erase this sign. So price elasticity of demand will always be in positive sign. And other question is here. Question is, figure below shows a situation where a fall in price from 20 pence to 18 pence causes the quantity demanded to increase from 100 units to 150 units. Here is the graphical representation of this question. Look now, this is the quantity which is actually increased from 100 units to 150 units, and price is actually falling from 20 to 18. So this was the original price 20, and this is reducing to 18 units. So this is the graphical representation of this question, and the requirement is find the elasticity of demand. So price elasticity of demand is having the formula. So first of all, we will always put the formula percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. Percentage change in quantity demanded is having the formula QD2 minus QD1 over QD1 multiplied by 100. And the formula for the percentage change in price is P2 minus P1 over P1 multiplied by 100. So now, quantity demanded, change in quantity demanded is in numerator. So here is the quantity demanded. The change in quantity demanded is 50, and this is the original. So 50 over 100 will be put in numerator. So look this, 50 over 100 will be put in numerator, whereas the price is actually reducing from 20 to 18. So it means 20 was the original price. So change in price is 2. So 2 over 20. So look now, 2 over 20 will be placed in denominator. This 100 will be cancelled. So 50 over 100 whole divided by 2 over 20. Solve it on the calculator. You will get the answer. Look here, no unit or percentage sign will be written with this. And other question is here. Figure below shows a situation where a rise in the price from $4 to $6 causes the quantity demanded to fall from 200 units to 160. This is the graphical representation, and this is the descriptive form of the question. Requirement is same. Calculate the elasticity of the demand. First, write the formula, that is percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. Formula for the percentage change in quantity demanded is QD2 minus QD1 over QD1 multiplied by 100, and percentage change in the price formula is P2 minus P1 over P1 multiplied by 100. So look now, in the numerator we are having quantities. The change in the quantities is 40. Original is 200, so 40 over 200 will be placed in numerator like this, 40 over 200. And the price is changing from 4 to 6. So change in price is 2 and original is 4. So 2 over 4 will be placed in denominator. Look now, 2 over 4. 100 will be cancelled. Now solve it mathematically. You will get the answer 0.4. And other question is here. A firm selling refrigerators lowered the price of the product from $200 to $180. Its sales increased from 400 to 480 units per week. Calculate the elasticity of the demand. Again, same formula will be used. Percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. Formula for the percentage change in quantity demanded is QD2 minus QD1 over QD1 multiplied by 100. Percentage change in price formula is P2 minus P1 over P1 multiplied by 100. Now, these are the quantities. Change in the quantity demanded is 80. This is the original. So 80 over 400 will be placed in numerator. And these are the prices. So change in price is 20. And this is original. So 20 over 200 will be placed in denominator. 100 will be cancelled. Solve the remaining portion mathematically. You will get the answer. And the last question of the lecture is, this kind of the question is always come in the paper. Calculate the price elasticity of demand from the following data. So this data will be given. Now look, no two prices will be given, no two quantities will be given. Percentage change in the quantity demanded is given, and percentage change in the price is given. So price elasticity of the demand is the requirement. Look now, the formula is percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. So this is percentage change in quantity demanded that is given and percentage change in price that is given. So 10 over 20. 10 will be placed in numerator and percentage change in price is 20, that will be placed in denominator. 10 over 20. When you solve it on the calculator, you will get this answer. So all these parts will be solved by the same method, like this first part. So this was the lecture, students. Important lecture, technical lecture. The question from this topic always come in the paper. So practice this topic a lot at your home. This is the time you can make practice. So read this lecture again and make your notes. Thank you so much.